Hello class, today is Thursday, May 14th, 2020, and the code for this week is I'm empathic when I'm in someone else's shoes. So today we're going to learn drinks, okay? Like glue glue glue. Okay, so the first one is water, okay? So we drink water. Okay, the next one is tea, okay? I'm drinking a cup of tea. It's hot. The next one is milk. It's delicious. Then we have hot chocolate. I like hot chocolate. And the last one is juice. I haven't got juice, but it's very delicious, okay? Now, everybody open your class book in page 88 and write the short date on the top. Now you're going to listen, okay?
Listening 123. Listen and point. Milk.
Juice.
Water. Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Tea. Water. Tea. Juice. Milk. Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Listen and repeat. Milk. Juice. Water. Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Tea.
Now you're going to listen to the song and read it. Primero la vas a escuchar y la vas a leer y ya después la vas a cantar.
Listening 124. Listen and sing. Drink your milk.
Eat your figs and drink your milk. Drink your milk. Drink your milk. Eat your figs and drink your milk. Don't be late for school. Eat your bread and drink your juice. Drink your juice. Drink your juice. Eat your bread and drink your juice. Don't be late for school. Here's your water, here's your bag. Here's your bag, here's your bag. Here's your water, here's your bag. Don't be late for school.
Now open your workbook in page 88. Recuerda, si tú tienes tus libros en casa, no es necesario que imprimas esta hoja. Puedes resolver directo en tus libros. O puedes poner en una hojita workbook, la página y escribir solamente las respuestas, ¿ok? So, pay attention in exercise number 1. You are going to say what's next, okay? You are going to say here what's next. For example, we have milk, tea, hot chocolate. Milk, tea, and the next one is hot chocolate, okay? Then in exercise number 2, you are going to use these words to complete the questions, okay? You are going to write, do you like, look at the picture and write here the word. You have to say, yes I do or no I don't. Aquí vas a responder con las cosas que a ti te gusten o no te gusten, okay? Now close your workbook. And now it's time to work here, okay? Recuerda que no es necesario que imprimas esta hoja. La puedes copiar e ilustrarla en tu ficha de trabajo o en una hojita blanca o en una hojita de color. Y por último, vas a hacer family time, ¿ok? You're going to use real things to ask and answer to your family if they like or if they don't like the drinks, ¿ok? For example, I'm going to ask my mom. Mom, do you like milk?
Yes, I do.
Do you like water?
Yes, I do.
Do you like hot chocolate?
No, I don't.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I do.
And that's it, class. Bye.